Good morning, gentlemen. Watched a video on YouTube the other day about removing the cable from Alpha 1 Generation 2 outdrive. And they talked about a special tool that you could purchase in order to remove the shift cable out of here because it has a long plastic tool. And I watched this one where a gentleman talked about getting a 9/16 spark plug socket. Now, here in the Bahamas, and as I'm sure with many other islands, many of these things are not available. In fact, personally, I have never heard of a 9/16 spark plug. I guess that's a European thing, maybe. I do not know. But, so I came up with my own remedy. Take a deep 9/16 socket, grind the edge of it slightly, grab a 3/4 deep socket, and just hammer it in, and now you have your special tool. These sockets, you could get any old cheap deep sockets and make it and cost you nothing. Dig up through your old toolkits, grab a deep 3/4, deep 9/16, grind the edge of 9/16, knock it in, and you have your special tool. Thank me later. From the Bahamas.